Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to set up Webull on desktop. First, navigate to the official Webull website using your preferred web browser. Look for the Download or Desktop app link, usually found in the main navigation or footer. Once you find it, click on the link and choose the installer that matches your computer's operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac OS. Then, simply click to download the file, which is typically around 100 megabytes in size. After downloading, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to start the installation. Follow the straightforward on-screen instructions, which usually involve accepting terms and choosing an installation directory. This process typically takes less than 1 minute. Once installed, open the Webull application. You'll then be prompted to log in using your existing Webull account credentials, either your registered email or phone number and password. Now that you're logged in, it's time to personalize your workspace. Webull offers a highly customizable interface with various widgets. You can easily drag and drop elements like watch lists, advanced charting tools, and order entry panels to suit your trading style. Spend a few minutes exploring the options and adjusting chart settings, perhaps adding a moving average or RSI. Remember to save your preferred layout so it loads automatically next time. The final step before trading is funding your account. Go to the Transfers or Deposit section in the Webull app. You can link your bank account for an ACH transfer, which usually takes 3 to 5 business days to process. Once your funds are available, typically a minimum of $50 for certain features, you can search for a stock using its ticker symbol. Then, simply enter your order details and place your very first trade.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.